What's up, fellow travelers? Welcome back to my channel, and I'd like to give you a warm welcome for my 34th state, Minnesota. Behind me we have the high falls here in Gooseberry State Park. I'm going to be visiting a lot of state parks along the US Highway 61 today, so I hope you join me as I show you and tell a little bit more about this beautiful area in northern Minnesota. Let's go! We're here at the second park, Split Rock State Park. It's just 10 miles up north from Gooseberry Falls State Park. What's so special about this park? Would you believe me that over 30 shipwrecks happened here in 1905, right in these waters, causing the creation of this lighthouse in 1910. This lighthouse was operational for 59 years until it was decommissioned in 1969. Its light can reach out over 22 miles out into the Lake Superior. It is one of the most iconic state parks and landmarks here in the state of Minnesota. We're here at the Black Beach, just outside of the town of Silver Bay. It's a beautiful town with many campgrounds just on Lake Superior. Very worthy stop if you continue on US Highway 61. Now, fun fact, did you know that US Highway 61 stretches 150 miles from Duluth all the way to the border of Canada? You can drive the road, bike the road, or you can hike the road on the Superior hiking trail. Alright guys, next stop, we're here at the Palisades Head. Just behind me back there is the Silver Bay town and the Black Beach I just took you to. And here you can hike along these beautiful cliffs that are standing over 100 feet tall and just enjoy the views of Lake Superior. As we continue towards Tettegouche Park, which is one of the most well-known state parks here in Northern Shore, Minnesota. We're here in Tettegouche State Park, the next destination. We're gonna be checking out some of the waterfalls here. First on the agenda is the High Falls, then we're gonna check out the Cascade Falls. Let's go. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. For returning subscribers, welcome back. I'm super excited to be here in Minnesota. If you're so far enjoying the video, give it a thumbs up and continue watching as I have many more state parks to explore here in Northern Shore of Minnesota. behind me, one of the staples here in Tettegouche State Park, the Falls. If you've been watching my channel for some time, you know how I like to do things. I like to do a lot of things and a lot of hikes in one day. So you'll see a lot of things being done in one day, and I hope you guys enjoy that. We're here at Shovel Point. It's a half-a-mile one-way trip from the visitor center. Now behind me back here you can see the Palisades Head, which we visited to earlier. What are you guys thinking of this place? These are some of the highlights here in Tereguchi State Park. I hope you guys have been enjoying the video so far. Stay tuned because I have a couple more cool waterfalls to show you. And of course, it's looking like there's gonna be a beautiful sunset. What I've noticed really cool about Minnesota state parks, especially here in Northern Shore, is they're very well equipped. The visitor centers are very new and you can get a lot of information, gifts. They give you all kinds of information. The parks themselves are pretty well maintained. The trails are, a lot of them are wooden, a lot of them well maintained. So when you do come here, just know that. As you can see, there's a lot of waterfalls here, a lot of cool places. I hope you guys are enjoying this video because there's plenty more, and this is only my first day here in Minnesota. End of today's video. I hope you guys enjoy me taking you to some of the beautiful state parks here along the US Highway 61 in Minnesota's Lakeshore. Tomorrow I'll be exploring more waterfalls, so come back next week. If you enjoy my channel and want to support me, a big thumbs up on the video, and if you want to see more adventures, consider subscribing. That is all for me. Luke G Travel signing out. See you guys next week. Ciao.